Have you ever opened your Amazon ads dashboard, looked at your best campaign and thought, what happened? A few weeks ago, everything looked great. Your ACOS was healthy, sales were coming in consistently. The campaign had been running for months without any major issue. Then suddenly, your ACOS start climbing, your CPC goes up, sales begin slow down, and the first thing most sellers do is exactly the thing that usually make the situation worse. They start lowering bids, they cut budget, they pause keywords. Sometimes they even duplicate the campaign because they think Amazon has somehow broken it. The real problem is most of the time the campaign is not actually broken, something around it changed. And if you don't understand what changed, you are treating the symptom instead of fixing the disease. I have seen this happen over and over again while auditing Amazon advertising accounts. Sometimes it's a brand spending $2,000 a month. Sometimes it's a company spending over $100,000 every month on Amazon ads. The story is most always the same. They tell me our campaign was amazing, it worked perfectly, we did not touch anything, so why it is suddenly losing the money? And honestly, that's the wrong question. The better question is what changed inside Amazon, because Amazon never stays still. Every single day, new competitor launch, new product enter your category, customer behavior change, search trend evolve, and the advertising auction change. Even Amazon's own algorithm change the way it matches a shopper with products. Your campaign could be exactly the same today it was 3 months ago. Same keywords, same bids, same budget, same products. But the marketplace around that campaign might be completely different. That's why experienced PPC managers don't immediately start changing campaigns. They investigate first. Think about this way. Imagine your car suddenly starts making a strange noise. Would your first reaction to be replace the engine? Not, of course. You would want to figure it out where the noise is coming from. Maybe it's loose belt, maybe it's tires, or maybe it's something small fix that costs most nothing to fix. So Amazon PPC works exactly the same. High ACOS is not the problem, it's a symptom. Just like fever is not a disease, it's your body way of telling you that something else is happening underneath. And today I want to walk through the 4 things I personally check before I change a single bid. These 4 checks have saved campaigns that look completely dead. They have helped recover thousands of dollars in wasted ad spend, and more importantly, they stop you from making emotional decisions, because emotional decisions in Amazon PPC are expensive. Let's talk with the first thing I check every single time, the search term drift. This is probably the most common issue I see, and surprisingly, every few seller even know it's happening. Here is what most people think. They believe that if they targeting the same keyword they targeted 6 months ago, they are reaching the same customer. Unfortunately, that's not how Amazon works. Let's say you are advertising collagen powder. 6 months ago, your broad match campaign might have matched searches like collagen powder, marine collagen, collagen peptides, or anything else. Those search converted well. Everything looked healthy. Now, fast forward 6 months, Amazon has collected more data. It understands customer behavior differently. New product have entered in the market. Customer searches have changed. Without you touching a single setting, the exact same broad campaign may now start matching searches like protein powder, women wellness supplements, hair growth vitamins, healthy aging products, meal replacement shakes, beauty supplements, like that. So some of those searches might still convert, other won't. But here is a scary part. You probably won't notice the change unless you are actively looking for it. Because when you open Campaign Manager, everything still looks familiar. The campaign has the same name, the same budget, the same keyword, nothing appears different. But underneath the surface, Amazon is sending your ads to a completely different audience. That's what I call search term drift. It's slow, it's gradual, and because it happens over weeks and months, most sellers never notice it until profitability has already disappeared. One of the easiest exercise you can do is compare your search term report from the last 30 days with previous 90 days. So don't just look at the clicks, look at the actual customer searches. Ask yourself and which search term are completely new, and which one are spending money without converting, which one did not even exist a few months ago. You will often discover that 20 to 30% of your advertising spend has quietly shifted towards search terms that were not originally driving your success. And once you identify those search terms, you have options. Maybe they deserve their own campaign, maybe they need lower bids, and maybe they should become negative keywords. The point is, you now have the data. You are making decisions based on evidence instead of reaching to a rising ACOS. Let me give you a real world example. I once reviewed an account that had been performing consistently for almost a year. The owner was convinced Amazon had changed the algorithm because sales suddenly dropped while advertising costs increased. When we compared the search term report, the answer become obvious. 6 months earlier, nearly 7% of their spend was going toward highly relevant customer searches. Today, almost 35% of their budget was being spent on loosely related search that have never generated meaningful sales. The campaign itself had not become worse, the traffic had. And the huge difference is uh, because if we had simply lowered bids across the campaign, we would have reduced visibility for good traffic along with the bad. And instead, we cleaned up irrelevant search terms, protected the high performing ones, and within few weeks, performance started moving back into the right direction. This is why I always tell sellers, never judge a campaign by its ACOS alone. Always ask yourself one question first: am I still getting the same traffic that made this campaign successful in the first place? Because if the answer is no, lowering bids won't solve the real problem, it just hides it. So that's only the first thing I check. The second issue is even more dangerous because it has nothing to do with your account at all. It happens because of what your competitor are doing, and chances are it's already affecting your campaigns without even realizing it.